I talked to God, I told him I'm too broke to be as stressed I be. It's niggas too set on trying to flex like me. They wanna fuck these hoes and get fresh like me. Don't go out your little way trying to finesse like me. Give me hate, don't show no sympathy. There's no you mentioning the great when you mention me. Let's keep the trip. Show love the ones who envy me. These niggas just not on the ball, I'm the MVP. My mom off in these streets, my daddy off in these streets. So dope to feed they kids, so I dream my ass off when I'm sick. Just for your bitch, say you ain't shit. Your rounds think you were lit. They was smiling in my face when I was down bad on my dick. I told them actually I'm running red lights, like they after me. Can't let these feelings capture me, or it's gonna be catastrophe. Ain't asked to be the man, ain't what I want, that's what I had to be. Can't even trust these niggas that I thought would bust a strap for me. I'm going back and forth to court, yeah, that tennis flow. My old dog be with that cane on be a menace though. I drop a deuce and chunk the deuce, and then it's back to get loot. I pray for blessings straight from stress, and I'll be cool. Skirt. I talked to God, I told him I'm too broke to be as stressed I be. It's niggas too set on trying to flex like me. Keep playing checkers, nigga, don't start playing chess like me. I had to get it, nigga, you ain't come from less like me. Yeah. God favor the dumb and the weak. My big cousin got killed, I'm praying that I die in my sleep. My mama praying I don't die in these streets. Got a gun, cause if it come, niggas ain't dying for me. And I'm a man, nobody grind for me. Niggas scan and they can't stand the man I'm trying to be. I swear I'm born to lose, heart aching to win. First they hate you, then they love you, and they hate you again. See a nigga doing good, now they fake it again. Have the game on lock. My eyes been bloodshot ever since they shot my blood. Niggas love to put on a show, but they don't show no love. I'm from the jungle where the lions gotta pray for they prey. It's either make a way or stay the fuck out the way. And everybody want beef until your homeboy a vegetable. Y'all put the fakest niggas on that real nigga pedestal. Talking to myself like two of them niggas don't compare to you. Shit been getting hectic, got me wondering what a prayer would do.